रोशनी, आपसे एक सवाल है मेरे माइंड में. What are your thoughts on Nykaa's IPO? Especially, it's driven by a woman, and she is one of the richest women in India. अगर मैं बात करूं तो मैं इनसे पहले अगर किसी वुमन को जानता था, was the founder of Biocon, right? So, what are your thoughts around it?
Thanks, first of all, Rahul, for having me on your channel. And exactly जो आपने question पूछा है ना, उसी में आपका आंसर है कि हमारे पास women role models की बहुत कमी थी. हमें सिर्फ वही शुरू के 2-4 नाम पता होते थे कि these are the women leaders who have made big in their career, who have made big as entrepreneurs. But ये Nykaa story के बाद we have such women entrepreneurs and such women role models who are making it to the first page of magazines and newspapers as self-made women entrepreneurs who are billionaires now. So मुझे ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक पड़ाव कहते हैं जिसे लग रहा है for the next generation of women entrepreneurs and the young girls who are day by day having more women role models to get inspired from. And this is a very good day, good space for women entrepreneurship today and for future.
Oh, this is interesting, Roshni. Thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, Roshni Baronia is a certified sales expert and she's a founder of a boutique consulting firm with the name of RB Consult. She is also a sales coach, especially for उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि हम जैसे entrepreneurs रह जाते हैं साइड में because she focuses more on the women and she's also a host for एक वो पॉडकास्ट रन करती है स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन बिजनेस ओनर्स जो स्मॉल टाइम बिजनेस ओनर्स होते हैं उनके लिए एंड शी इज वन ऑफ द लीडिंग पॉडकास्ट स्पीकर देयर. शी रोशनी इज एन ऑथर. शी इज आल्सो अ TEDx स्पीकर एंड एन इंटरनेशनल समिट स्पीकर. एक चीज जो बहुत सारे लोग रोशनी के बारे में नहीं जानते हो, that she is a mom to a young adult, wife to a beautiful soul, a yoga enthusiast. ओह, खास बात बता दूं रोशनी सबको. ओके, हम सब लोग सनसेट देखना पसंद करते हैं. रोशनी loves to watch sunrises.
Yes. And I fell in love with sunrises जब मेरा दुबई का विजिट था and हम hot air balloon करा हमने ट्रिप and it was beautiful. It was mesmerizing and sunset से ज़्यादा beautiful sunrise होता है because it gives you hope. It gives you an opportunity to look into the future and acknowledge yourself and love yourself. And yeah, sunrises are so beautiful, so best.
Well, I'll take this point from you, Roshni, कि it gives you hope.
Yeah.
तो मैंने जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपसे किया था, especially about Nykaa's IPO, it gives hope.
Exactly.
To other women. Do you actually think it will inspire other women, especially if they start their own business?
Absolutely. Because just to tell you a little thing that I observed in this entire Nykaa story, since we are referencing that, one of my friends tweeted a post from Falguni Nayar's Twitter account, which she did when Nykaa was being launched. तो ये 9 साल पहले की बात है जब उन्होंने ये ट्वीट करा that today is the big day, Nykaa is being launched. एंड उसके बाद उस पोस्ट में ना पूरे कंप्लेंट्स थे कि हमारा ऑर्डर नहीं आया और ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ, हमें रिफंड चाहिए, ये वो सारी कंप्लेंट्स. एंड टुडे इज द डे व्हेन सारा ट्विटर, सारा लिंक्डइन फीड वाज फुल of appreciation, full of celebration of this moment when that same person has made history. So ये जो जर्नी है ना, ये आसान नहीं होती, किसी भी एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए आसान नहीं होती. And it seems like an overnight success to people, but it isn't. और ये जो स्ट्रगल है, ये सेटबैक्स हैं, every entrepreneur has to go through it, but if you stick to them, if you do not quit very early, you will be able to achieve your dreams. So this gives a very big hope to all small business owners, especially because I feel it is very important to think big but start small. So अगर आप small steps, baby steps के साथ भी शुरू करोगे, you will reach to a position where Nykaa and Falguni has given us an example of.
आपने इतनी प्यारी बात बोली है रोशनी, इससे मुझे एक चीज की और समझ में आ रहा है कि she started this business after she reached the age of 50 years.
Yes.
Right? और उसके बाद 5-6 साल में ले जाकर उन्होंने बिजनेस को बिल्ड किया. She attracted a lot of investments into the business and she's got one of the wonderful business models I've studied. Right? और उसमें जो एक अच्छी चीज मुझे लगी कि she got it listed at the right time. So do you think, it's part of my earlier question also, कि it inspires other women to start with their business, but would it inspire other women to get their companies listed also? क्योंकि लिस्टिंग एक ऐसी स्पेस है जिसमें बहुत सारे स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स अवॉइड करते हैं सिचुएशन में, उसको एक ट्रैप मानते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ सर्टेन माइंडसेट. So would it attract other women to get their companies listed as well?
Absolutely, because there has to be a start somewhere. Getting started is the hardest, and with one self-made woman going out there and listing a company is a start. Matlab, of course, there is a dream in every women entrepreneur's heart and eyes कि किसी दिन मेरा भी स्टार्टअप इतना बड़ा होगा कि मैं IPO लॉन्च करूं. आई डोंट नो बहुत सारे स्मॉल बिजनेस ओनर्स वो ड्रीम देख पाते होंगे कि नहीं, क्योंकि उनके सामने वो रोल मॉडल नहीं था, बट आज वो रोल मॉडल है. सो देयर इज नथिंग स्टॉपिंग देम फ्रॉम नाउ सीइंग दैट ड्रीम आल्सो.
So which eventually means कि अगर वो उस ड्रीम को देख पाते हैं, उनके पास रोल मॉडल भी है, right? So my another question comes from this point itself, Roshni, कि being a business woman yourself, being an entrepreneur, how things have changed when you see earlier times and compared to things nowadays?
Oh, a lot. So you see the thing is कि with everything going digital now, more so after this pandemic. In fact, I think 42% of women owners have transitioned into online digital business models after this pandemic. I read this survey somewhere, and which is a good thing. Digital has actually lowered the barrier to entry into entrepreneurship for women. That's the first thing. Second thing is the stigma that comes along with being an entrepreneur, especially for women. क्योंकि मैं अपना भी एग्जाम्पल अगर दूं, तो मैंने जब शुरू करा था 12 साल पहले, तो यही सुनने को मिलता था, तुम्हें क्या जरूरत है शुरू करने की, तुम्हारा हस्बैंड अच्छा कमा तो रहा है, क्या जरूरत है इतनी मेहनत करने की, अच्छा ठीक है कर भी लो तो टाइम पास है, हॉबी है. बट आज का टाइम वो नहीं है. टुडे it is not a hobby. If you are running it well, if you are serious about your business, if you are doing it the proper way, it is not a hobby for you. And now that stigma is getting removed, where a girl right after college wants to get into entrepreneurship. She doesn't want to go the normal route of 3-4-5 साल corporate job करा and then family way पे गए and then return to back to work करा. People are now accepting entrepreneurship not as a time pass or a hobby, but as a career, which is very, very good change for women, very good change from society and feminist men like you who are supporting women also, I believe.
Thank you so much, Roshni. Okay, इसमें आपने बहुत important point touch किया है रोशनी, which is about social stigma, right? So I have been speaking to a few of my friends who have been women and are running businesses, right? There's certain pressure which comes especially from family side. If you are married, you have got kids, you have to manage your home, you have to manage your kid, you have to manage your family. तो आप घर भी देख रहे हो, बाहर भी देख रहे हो, बच्चा भी देख रहे हो, सब कुछ आप ही को मैनेज करना है. Interestingly, we talked about things getting online.
Yeah.
They have to manage their schools also, kids' school.
Right.
जिसको हम बहुत कन्वीनियंटली अवॉइड करते हैं आज की डेट में. वी डोंट इवन थिंक अबाउट इट. व्हाट काइंड ऑफ these kind of things when coming in, तो आपको क्या लगता है ये नए टाइप के चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, एंड हाउ डू यू थिंक दे शुड बी डीलिंग अबाउट इट?
Thanks for asking that question, Rahul, because the first thing is कि कभी भी विमेन को खुद से या दूसरों के, उनके आसपास के लोगों के, उन पे ये प्रेशर नहीं जाना चाहिए कि तुम तो सुपर वुमन हो, तुम सब कर लो, तुम तो मल्टीटास्क करो, तुम सब कर लो. नो, वी आर ह्यूमंस, वी नीड सपोर्ट, वी नीड हेल्प, and as women it is very very important for us to ask for that help, and that help has to come from the family members, from the peers, from the support system, like जो हमारे घर पे हेल्प होती हैं. these all are our support system, और हर वुमन को चाहिए होता है. multitasking doesn't come easily to everyone. it actually drives us to burnout. तो वो सुपर पावर सिंड्रोम से एक तो बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा हर वुमन को. We are not superhumans. And secondly, ask for help, build a support system around you. These are real challenges, and it is very very important for family members, especially your spouse, to help you around. And यही चीजें हैं जिसमें हमें इक्वालिटी और साथ में शेयरिंग ऑफ लोड करना पड़ेगा. So this is something which we need to do. And today, incidentally, it's International Men's Day. So happy Men's Day to you also, Rahul, and to all the people and men out there who are actually taking the initiative to share the load and support the women around, be it at work, be it at the home, and it's a very very much needed thing. साथ मिलके ही आगे बढ़ सकते हैं.
Thank you so much, Roshni, on these thoughts कि जहाँ पे एक मैन अपनी वुमेन की हेल्प करता है, सपोर्ट करता है, creates a lot of things for the women also. And you talked about women being a multitasker. I personally feel this is one specific reason why women can become a great investor when they go ahead and invest in share markets. Besides other reasons than a man, right? I also understand that we think that they've got superpowers and they are superwomen and they should be doing everything. No, we also need to understand at the end of the day they are human beings, yes, just like us.
Yes,
just like a man, right? I totally understand it. On this day of International Women's Entrepreneurship Day, one last closing thoughts from your side, Roshni. क्या एक मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
मेरा मैसेज यही है कि it is a very very good time to be an entrepreneur, and I believe entrepreneurship is the best tool for a woman to realize her talents, to realize her true potential, and just give it a try. Take a chance on yourself and get into entrepreneurship.
Wow, it's just like कि जैसे Nike का tagline है, just do it.
Just do it. Yes.
Thank you so much, Roshni. I know you have been a very busy person and आपने हमारे लिए आज एक टाइम निकाला. It has been great to have you back on our platform. Future में फिर आपसे कुछ ऐसे ही किसी अच्छे से टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करेंगे. You took us through all the things which we really wanted to discuss, and thank you so much again for your time.
Thanks for having me here, Rahul. Thank you.